and welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. It has been a busy week. Number 13 says, an experiment examined the relationship between the number of miles a car travelled per gallon of gasoline and the speed of the car in miles per hour. The table displays the data collected. A quadratic function can be used to model the data in the table, and this question wants you to estimate the miles per gallon when the speed is 65 miles per hour. Which value best estimates the miles per gallon when the speed is 65 miles per hour? And I know what you're thinking, hold on, this data isn't quadratic, the second differences aren't constant. Well, that's true, but that doesn't mean the data isn't approximately quadratic. Take a look at these points on a grid. The second differences are close enough that we can still draw a parabola that more or less goes through or near each point. To find the equation that would have this graph, you can dust off your old graphing calculator and use the quadratic regression feature. Now, of course, each brand of calculator will be a little different, but on a TI-84, press Stat, Edit and input all the data. X values should go into L1 and Y values should go into L2. Press Stat again, but this time arrow over to Calc. Scroll down until you find Quad Reg, which stands for Quadratic Regression. Press Enter and then go down to Calculate. Press Enter and the calculator will display the coefficients for our quadratic function. We've got an equation to model the data now, so to estimate for the miles per gallon when the speed is 65 miles per hour, substitute 65 for X and type that long equation into your calculator. The output is around 27.9. So that represents the best estimate for the miles per gallon when the speed is 65 miles per hour. Taking a look at our answer choices, and we can clearly see that the correct answer is A. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. And now, this.
And now, people on TV talk about AI the only way they know how.
Natalie, I don't know if you remember the Terminator movies where the computers and the machines started acting like humans. That's what I think of when I think of artificial intelligence.
As someone whose favorite movie is T2 Judgment Day, I am concerned about these machines becoming self-aware and taking over. And I laugh, but I'm also quite serious about it.
There was a movie about this.
Which one?
Terminator.
It makes you have a vision of Skynet and Terminator, right?
All of us have seen the movie Terminator. We know how this ends.
None of them watched Terminator. We know how this, we know how this ends. Come on.
I've seen this before.
This is Terminator all over again. I've seen this movie before.
You're scared of AI.
Yes, I'm scared. You seen Terminator?
Whether it's a Terminator or not, I want to find out how we can make money on this.